How to download and install Android apps on PC on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can download and install Android applications on your PC. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download and install Android applications on our PC, all we have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up our browser, and then we want to download an Android emulator called Bluestacks. So in my case, I've already downloaded this emulator. Go to this website, I'll make sure to drop a link, download and then install it respectively. Then once you've done that, just open up your Windows file manager, and then in the search box you just want to go ahead and type in Bluestacks and then just launch it. So after you install it, I'm just going to launch it, and since Bluestacks is basically an Android emulator, it runs just like an Android operating system, so you need to at least have a Google account. So once you open up this Android emulator, here you'll find Google Play. Just click on it and then here select open Google Play Store. So once you click on open Google Play, it may take some time to go ahead and then load the Google Play Store, so I'm going to be patient and wait back until Play Store has been loaded up. So as you can see, in my case, the Google Play Store has been loaded up successfully, and now you'll be able to see all the applications just like you see on Android. And then if you want, you can just go ahead and then simply log into your Google profile over here, simply sign in, and now you can download any applications just like you have on an Android app store. So that's basically how you can go ahead and then simply install Android OS on your PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.